Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this rainbow metallic mosaic. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For the mosaic, I'm going to be using the ILNP Ultra Metallic Brights collection. The red is Love Me Not. The pink is Sugar Coated. The copper, which I'll be using as an orange, is Checkmate. This limon shade, which will stand in for yellow, is Short Circuit. For the green, we'll be using Funhouse, which is a teal. Then we have Blueprint, and finally the purple is Hi-Fi. Then for the base color, I'll be using Holo Taco One Coat Black. I painted these decals earlier and peeled them up once they're dry, and now I'm going to go ahead and cut them up into small triangles, and I'm just going to cut them into strips, and then I'm going to be cutting them at an angle. Once I'm done with my base color, I'm going to start applying the mosaic. I'm going to be using a little bit of Holo Taco Long Lasting Base for some stickiness as I need it. And I have my mosaic pieces, which I cut up earlier. Once I'm done cleaning up around the edges, I'm going to finish with the top coat. And as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. Although I wish I'd had the energy and patience to cut the triangles even smaller and do a more detailed mosaic. Of course, if you don't have the patience to do a full hand, you can certainly do just an accent nail like I did on my right hand. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can appreciate this metallic finish. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, including making all of the little decals, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.